Alright guys, we're back with Chase. So remember, what we're working on is getting the dog to go down. I can't stress enough at the beginning, you have got to keep your foot on there. You don't want to bend and keep bending and pointing, even though I know occasionally you bend, but you don't want, there's no reason to go like this to get a dog down. Look, she wants to play footsies with me when I do it. Good. I think we should maybe kind of start teaching her some movie tricks. So when that pilot gets picked up, birds and animals will decide they better spend the money for her. Do have my sunblock scar on, working on my healing, and getting her to down by virtue of the page or the nip, being able to get her to do it with that, without the foot on the leash thing. Oh, what a good girl, Chase. I did add my nick right there, but I'm going to tell you what happened to us. It's not high enough. Good. Down. But in reality, with a dog like this, you'd be better off that that happened and it wasn't high enough as opposed to it was too high. Down. Down. Down.
Are you a dog trainer?
Yeah. Good. Good girl. Good girl. Why, you have a dog you're going to train?
No, it's just you could do that with girlfriends. That seems too old.
Oh, gotcha, gotcha. They probably think the same thing about you. Down. No. No. Down. I promise we're going to have her doing this by the end of the week. Good. Good. I only got my nick set on about 30. But again, you'd be better off in this situation, in this stage of the game with the dog, that the nick was too low than you had it too high. Good. Good girl. Good. Chase. Heel. I don't know if you can see that, but I had my nick a little higher right here. Good. It happened far away from me. It happened at the length of a leash away. Good. Down. And it happened in conjunction with the leash getting tight. Alright guys, more updates soon.